Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to show you one of my best video editor on Android. With this you can edit all of your photos, videos and audio and as well as text. So go to your Play Store and download Kinemaster, Kinemaster. I have used tons of other video apps but I won't recommend to use them. So this is one of the best. So let's install. So once installed, this is how you're going to see the screen. So press allow and skip the intro part and let's start it. So I would suggest you to go for a premium version as it is very cheap and affordable. It's almost 1300 per year, so I would suggest you to go for the premium version. So let's take a trial version, and once you open it, so this is how you're gonna see the screen. So let's open up a project. So generally when you want to show it up, this is a horizontal widescreen project. So this is how you're going to choose, or if you want to go for vertical videos, this is how you're going to choose, or if you want to post any social media such as in Facebook or Instagram, so typically people will be using 1:1. Right now for the test purpose, let's go for 16:9. And this is basically all the media browser which you'll be having in your phone. So let's if you don't see, this is how you typically see the entire project layout window. Let's go for media, and I want to add a background actually. So these do have backgrounds. Other editors doesn't have any such kind of feature, so that's why I've chosen this. So for this, let me choose this background and I'm done. So or else you can just go back. So this is how you see it. Actually you can see the entire video over here, but as this is an image you cannot see it. So let me go, and typically I want to go for, if you want to change the duration, you need to select the clip and just drag it. So it's almost all like 10 seconds. So that's it, that's good enough for me. Okay, and then let's go into the beginning. Now I do this is the background. Now I want to add a text layer, so go to layer. This is the way where the other videos you can add it. Right now we're gonna add for a text layer, so let me check text layer, and this is where you can type anything you want, but typically I want to add in Telugu. So let me see if I can type it in Telugu. So this is an Android version, an updated version will have this kind of layout. So if you don't have any layout, please figure it out by yourself. So Google translation, detect language, and I want to go convert into Telugu. So let me see, Miku. Okay, so it's coming Miku. Now I want to type actually Miru Gamaninchara. So this is, let me skip it. This is how you type your entire font or paragraph, if you, whatever the text you want. Let me skip it to a little bit ahead. So as this is going to take a while to type in manually, I have found a little trick. So let's see if it is going to work or not. So I need to change the language, so it come like Telugu and English. So let me talk. Meeru Gamaninchara. Yes, this works. No space. Let me speak again. Manassuki cheratame vijayam. Wow, this is perfect. So this is going to work. So let's go for next line, and I'm still in Telugu and English keyboard. So మరియు విజయం యొక్క అనుభూతి. Okay, let's put a comma and go for the next line. ఎప్పుడు ఒక్కటే. Wow, cool. So let me go for it. Okay, let me see. అది ఆరంభంలోనైనా అంతంలోనైనా. Wow, this is cool. This is very cool. So this, let's take. Okay, this is my para. Now I have edited my text and I'll press OK. So right now, so this is how it works. This is the base layer, and whatever layer you add beneath it, it's going to be on the top. So this is the background and the text is below. So this will be on top of on the video. So let me select the text and so let me give it the video. So I want it like 10 seconds. So let me add a little bit of animation, so you don't have to go for any animation. So if I select this as the text is selected, so the text is selected and I have pressed in animation. I have put a 1.5 second of fade, so that's good. And let me select it again and I'll press out animation, and that's going to be fade in, fade out easily, right? Okay, so now let's select out and let's play. So that is how it's going to appear. Please don't mind my iPhone messages. So that's how it's going to be gone, almost all 10 seconds. Okay, now let me try to add any voiceover. So please don't mind my voice as well. Okay, now I have to select here. This is how you add voice. Let's click it, allow, and ready to record. So whenever you are ready, you don't want to get as loud as red. You might want to stay in the yellow bar. So that's an optimal. So you need to check your voice levels as well. So this looks good. So let me start. మీరు గమనించారా, మనసుకు చేరటమే విజయం, మరియు విజయం యొక్క అనుభూతి ఎప్పుడూ ఒక్కటే, అది ఆరంభంలోనైనా అంతంలోనైనా. Okay, somehow I have so the voice doesn't seems to be fit. So let's check the duration of the video a little bit more. So let's go as much as possible, like 20 seconds. We can anyhow cut out the end one. So if you want to check any kind of preview, let's see. మీరు గమనించారా, మనసుకు చేరటమే విజయం, మరియు విజయం యొక్క అనుభూతి ఎప్పుడూ ఒకటే, అది. So please don't mind my accent. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to record it again. So let's go for 10 seconds, more than 10 seconds. So I've set it up to maximum and click out, and now you can add voice. And my voice levels are okay. It seems to be very fine. And let's start it again. మీరు గమనించారా, మనసుకు చేరటమే విజయం, మరియు విజయం యొక్క అనుభూతి ఎప్పుడూ ఒకటే, అది ఆరంభంలోనైనా అంతంలోనైనా. Okay, that looks cool. Let me see the preview. మీరు గమనించారా, మనసుకు చేరటమే విజయం, మరియు విజయం యొక్క అనుభూతి ఎప్పుడూ ఒకటే, అది ఆరంభంలోనైనా అంతంలోనైనా. Okay, there might be some background voices, but please ignore it. So the voice seems good, so I'm gonna drag a little bit more. So press and hold. If you want to drag it, you need to press on the video clip and whatever the clip you want to move, and move it. So that's how it is. Now I'm gonna play it. So I want to start the voice over here, so let's drag it. మీరు గమనించారా, మనసుకు చేరటమే విజయం, మరియు విజయం యొక్క అనుభూతి ఎప్పుడూ ఒకటే, అది ఆరంభంలోనైనా అంతంలోనైనా. Okay, this looked good. So my timeline duration is here. So I'm gonna start my animation over here. So I'm gonna select this and let me start the text overlay the graphics from here. So as you can see, it will be following the voice. Okay, that looks good. And let me go with the end and select this, click on the text layer once and finish up over here as the voiceover is finished here. So let's see, that looks good. The ending is also good. So let me retime my entire this thing, my background. Okay, that is almost very much fine. Okay, now I want to add a little bit of animation, like it is almost like static. So let's see if we can add any kind of animations. So let me go for one animation. Now these looks very so here if you go, this is the keyframe how it will be. So initially at the end of the video I want the text to be this much of size, so we'll add a keyframe over there. I'll add another keyframe over here, and I'll go to the first keyframe and I'll resize it. Okay, so let's see. So that's how slowly the text will fill up to the scale size. Okay, that looks cool. Let me see if I can add any of music as well. So audio, music assets, there are no music over here, these are all recorded. You need to have the music files in your phone, only then it will be working. I don't know how these kind of songs. Okay, let me see. Okay, this looks good. Let me add it. I've added, and let's go back. So as you can see, the music is not starting right from the beginning. So click on the clip and hold it, and then you can move it, right? And then you let it go. That's how it is. So let's see. Okay, now the voice is overlapped by the music. I cannot hear the voice as well. So let me go and lower the volume of the music. So once you click on the audio layer of the music and click audio, and this is how you're gonna reduce your volume. That's it. So let's go and see the view. These are the okay. Okay, so that's how you add the music as well. If you have any time, go check all these options. This for the later session. Let's go. So this is how you drag the layer up and down. So as you can see, the text is should be in the middle. See, this is how it will be. If you want, it will be in the middle, or this looks fine. If you want any outline, to stand it out, you can add some of the outlines, or you can just leave it like that. That looks good. And this is how you do it. So and then once it is done, once you have edited everything, and then you can export. And I would go for, if it is a for phone, I would go for HD 720 and then export. That's it. And then once open it, if you want you can share it or YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want.
మీరు గమనించారు,
There you go.
మనసుకు చేరటమే విజయం, మరియు విజయం యొక్క అనుభూతి ఎప్పుడూ ఒకటి, అది ఆరంభంలోనైనా అంతంలోనైనా.
That's it. So for advanced kind of video effects, I'll be doing another video. This is just for the basic stuff. So let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you.